Today's video is kind of like vlog style, I guess you could say. So yeah, it'll be minimal editing. Hopefully I'm in focus. I can't really see from here, but yeah. So as you guys can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing a Grove collaborative review and like unboxing. This is my first time buying anything from Grove. So I think in one of my empties, I think my recent empties, I showed you guys the daily shower spray. I ran out of that obviously because it was in my empties and I wanted some more, so I was on Amazon getting ready to buy a new one and it was like pretty pricey. I don't remember paying that much, and then I read in the comments that someone said asking like why is yours so high? And it's like $6 on Grove, and I was like, what? And I've heard of Grove before, but I've never like created an account with them or purchased anything from them. So that's when I decided to create my Grove account and buy some household and cleaning items from Grove. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So this says my address, but on the box it says "Stay healthy, Ashley." I thought that was like a cute little message. So like writing personal messages, I love that. All right. So we need some scissors to cut this open. And like I said, this is my first time buying anything from Grove. This video is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money because I need some new cleaning stuff. And I wanted to try them out. And so pretty much with Grove, they're like, they usually have items or work with brands that are good for the earth, all of that. They're trying to go to like not using any plastic. So yeah, and I did get a lot of free stuff. Ace is in the camera, y'all. Yeah, I did get a lot of free stuff. So I'm back. All right, so this is how everything is packaged in here. Packaged really nicely. So let's just go ahead and get into the haul. I don't quite remember what was free and what wasn't. I guess I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested. I believe I did purchase these. These are the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. We were out of wipes. Is your stores like still out of disinfecting wipes? I don't understand. I don't get it, but mine are. I normally get like the Clorox wipes. I think they're Clorox or either the Up and Up brand from Target. I like those. So today I'm trying the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. And I don't know if it's a scent, 35 of them in here. So next we have these drawstring trash bags. They're from Grove and they are made from 100% recycled plastic. There's 20 trash bags in here. And yeah, so this is what this looks like. As you guys can see, I don't remember ordering this. I don't know if I ordered this or not, or if this was free. But as you guys can see, it's like not in plastic. It's wrapped around in paper. So yeah, this is something that they do. They try not to use a lot of plastic. All right, I did buy this, the pure baking soda. I was out of that and I love to use this to like help clean. Using vinegar and baking soda really gets a lot of stuff clean. All right, we have the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. I've never tried this and I can't wait to use it. This is a nice size too. Cleans and disinfects. Let me know if you guys have tried that. Oops. I believe this was free, the Meyer's Clean Day Dish Soap. I've never tried any of the Meyer's dish soap or anything. And I didn't realize you could change the scents on the website. They do have an app, by the way, and they had different scents. I would have enjoyed a fall scent. We have these walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. Always need sponges, so yeah. We have this Grove wrinkle releaser spray. It says free and clear, and this is for your clothes. So I can't wait to try this out because I'm someone who does not like to iron. I don't think this is anything. I think this is just a flyer or a pamphlet about Grove and what they have to offer. And by the way, they do give you monthly shipments. They do have it where you can join, be VIP for $20 for the full year, for the full 12 months. And you get free shipping on all your orders, notified of discounts and all that other stuff. So I think I'm going to do that, but they do automatically send out your monthly shipments. You can go ahead and edit your cart. They may add some stuff for you if you like, and they automatically debit your card for whatever's in your cart and do that monthly, or you can choose when you want to do your next shipment. So that means you can skip for the month if you like. So yeah, I like that. Ooh, I did earn this for free. This is the stoneware tray. I wanted this really, really badly. And I'm so glad I got it for like my kitchen area, because I put like hand soaps up here, the dish soap, and then water gets everywhere, all over the counter. So I feel like this will be great to have up here. Yeah, we'll open that later. All right, what's next? Oh, the glass bottles, the glass spray bottle. This is from Grove. They do a lot of this. They may give you like little things that you can mix with water, concoctions. I don't know the exact term for it, where you can make your own cleaning spray. Like it can be a multi-surface cleaning spray, anything, anti-bac or something. And you just pour that in and then pour the water in, and you use your own glass bottle. So that's another way of getting rid of plastic, and you can label them, all of that. And this is a little glass bottle that I have, and I think it's so cute. Look at it. So I can't wait to put stuff in it. I'll probably be using like vinegar, because I love vinegar and other stuff to clean. So yeah, a nice little glass bottle. Next, we have the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, and this is in the scent Geranium. I'm not sure what geranium smells like, but I did choose this scent. And yeah, I can't wait to see, because I'm out of my favorite multi-surface cleaner that y'all will see in my empty soon. I have to go to Target because they don't have that brand on their website. But also the Method Daily Shower Spray, which is what was in my empties this past few videos. And y'all, I absolutely love this. If you haven't tried it, try it out. This is my second time getting this, and this is in the scent Eucalyptus Mint. I love the mint smell. Yeah, it's just a daily shower spray. So yeah, we'll be using this in our shower. Alright. They really package stuff really good. Alright, so we got some microfiber all-purpose cloths. I use this to clean. Love this. You can use it on countertops, on glass, everything. And they smell good too. So yeah. The microfiber cloths. Next, we have a handcrafted soap bar. For some reason, I bought this. I'm not sure why. It's in the scent Peppermint. I was just adding stuff to my cart, but this is what the soap bar looks like. If you guys are interested, it looks, it smells good too. Made with organic coconut and olive oils. So yeah, this soap bar in the scent Mint. So I believe this goes with the spray bottle. This is a shower spray in the scent Orange and Rosemary. It's a 1 ounce concentrate. You mix it with water. Yeah. And you put it in the little glass bottle. So yeah, see, that's what I was talking about. So I have 2 different shower sprays. I can't wait to try out theirs and see how I like it. And all of this was only $40. So that's really good. So I'll keep their information down below. This is a Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Surface Scrub, and it's like a powder. I've never tried this. This is in the lemon verbena scent. It says blah blah blah, has a light, refreshingly mild citrus scent. It says it's non-scratching and removes grease. So this is, it has plant-derived ingredients, essential oils, minerals, sodium percarbonate. So yeah, it's just a powder that you use to clean. I have used, what is that powder that's very inexpensive? I can't remember. I have used that. I can't remember the name of it. But that's full of chemicals, so I can't wait to try that one. And next we have the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Hand Soap, and this is in the scent Honeysuckle. As y'all can see, I didn't get any in-season hand soap, so I may not be using this right now. It smells okay, but it's like a spring scent, so. But yeah, I got a hand soap from them. Can always afford to stock up on hand soap. And lastly, what I got for free, one thing I remember, is this little bucket. So I think I'm going to use this underneath my sink to house my cleaning products. I just think it's so cute. Be careful, Ed. I think it's so cute. This little, yeah, a cleaning caddy is what it's called. So yeah, you can put all your cleaning items in here. And I'm just gonna put it underneath my kitchen sink because that's where I store my cleaning products in the trash. So that's it for Grove. And like I said, I got all of this stuff for $40. So I did get a lot of stuff for free. They do give you a lot of free items, especially when you're first joining them. So yeah, let me try to open this. Oh, now it's opening up easily. This is what I was really excited about. It's actually a lot bigger than what I expected. This stoneware tray. Oh, okay, no, it's not. The box was just bigger. But look at this. I think it's so cute from Grove. And I'm just gonna sit it up here so that my hand soaps and all the other stuff can just sit up here and not get my counters wet. So yeah, I was really enjoying this. You guys can get this free for just joining Grove pretty much. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed my household and cleaning items haul. I'm very excited to be a part of Grove. I will give y'all updates. But yeah, let me know if you guys are a part of Grove and what you think, if you have a membership with them. Remember, this was a vlog style video, so it's a lot going on in the background. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to leave your comments down below. I'll have Grove linked down below just in case you guys want to join. Yeah, so you'll get money off and you'll get free items just for joining. And you get to try their VIP for free for 60 days. So the first 2 months you get free shipping. And then if you decide that you want to do VIP, they just charge you $20 for the whole year to be VIP. So I think that's great. So yeah, comment down below, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and also just thumbs up if you enjoy my channel, because thumbs upping my video helps my channel and helps other viewers get notified of who I am. So be sure to thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.